Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to do a quick video today and show you the install of my truck drawer bed system. I have traded in my new truck and went and got an older 2013 high mileage Toyota Tundra just because of my lifestyle. I'm always outside, always in the mountains, always up in the hills and dirt roads and rocky paths, and I don't need a 2019 Laramie Edition Ram 1500. It was just too pretty. I was going to destroy it, and I was going to kill the equity and value in it. So I went and found a great deal on this, picked it up. So as you can see in here, this one came with the camper shell, which is a kind of a must for me. And it's got the bed rug down in here, which is a nice, like soft kind of cushion for the back of your truck. And as you can see, it outlines the bottom of the bed system. So what I'm going to do is today I pulled my old drawer system out of my Ram when I traded it in. It's in the garage here in pieces, and I'm going to reinstall it back in this truck today. And I'm going to time lapse it for you guys so it's fast and you can just kind of see how it went together, and we'll also give you an idea of how it was built. And that'll be it. That's what we'll do today. Alright, so there it is. We took the bed rug, we put the drawer system back in. As you probably saw through I'm going to time lapse this, watch all of it, but essentially we have 2x8s as the frame, a 1/2 inch thick plywood as the base, 1/2 inch thick plywood, or 3/4 inch plywood on the top because I wanted a stronger sleeping platform. Now we got the bed rug on top of here either way, so pooch here is comfortable, and that's it. So there you go. These drawers are about, I don't know, somewhere around 6 feet long. I got a full breakdown of them in my other video, but they hold quite a bit of stuff. I think he smells his ball in there. Get out. Anyway, so that's it. I will link the video about truck camping on our website, offgridessential.com, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.